10 interesting facts about Spain. Nudity is legal in Spain, although it is considered inappropriate in many places despite the hot Mediterranean climate that may tempt some to strip their clothes. Spaniards have a long life expectancy, with statistics showing that Spain ranks second in life expectancy among the OECD countries at an impressive 83 years. Only the Japanese have a longer life expectancy, and it's worth noting that Spanish women tend to live longer than men. Spain is the leading producer of olive oil, surpassing Greece and Italy. The country produces approximately 1.5 million tons of olive oil, with a significant portion originating from the southern Andalusian region. Childcare options are limited in Spain, leading to approximately a quarter of all grandparents taking care of their grandchildren on a daily basis. The first modern novel, Don Quixote, was written in Spanish by Miguel de Cervantes. This influential book is widely regarded as one of the most important works in Spanish literature and has had a profound impact on Western literature as a whole. Every year during the La Tomatina festival near Valencia, approximately 150,000 tomatoes are thrown as part of the entertaining event, attracting participants from around the world. Madrid is home to Botín, the oldest restaurant in the world according to the Guinness World Records. Since 1725, this renowned establishment has been serving its specialty of roasted suckling pig. Spain consists of 17 autonomous regions, each with its own unique identity and culture. These distinct identities originated from the historical fact that Spain was once composed of several separate kingdoms. Some regions, like Catalonia, have had strong movements for independence from Spain. Spain boasts over 8,000 kilometers of coastline, offering a vast array of beaches. With more than 8,000 beaches, it's no surprise that Spaniards have a deep love for the seaside. The tradition of siesta, a midday break, is deeply ingrained in Spanish culture. Originating as a way to protect against the scorching midday sun, siesta has evolved into a cultural staple that continues to be cherished and practiced today during fiestas and daily routines alike. Thank you so much for watching this video on Costa Walks. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with future content. Also, feel free to leave a comment below with any suggestions or ideas for future videos.